The UnityWorks project is a fundamental piece of helping build a better society, in my point of view. To do the projects, to do the thinking, to do the creative work that builds peace is really important to start in childhood. It's important to do this work with kids. It's also important to do this work with adults that are working in schools.
I think UnityWorks is an opportunity for us to begin relating to each other, not as the categories that we represent, such as which race we are, what our socioeconomic status is, whether or not we're male or female, anything like that, but rather as people who all have hopes and dreams of somehow living a better life and having that life being possible for our children and our community.
It's a way of us validating every single student we serve, despite what their ethnicity or their upbringing may be. I think it's an inclusionary program that just makes me as a teacher feel good, even about myself, teaching them Black history or other kinds of just knowledge of how our world works and all the people and the cultures that have come to build our world.
Part of our jobs as teachers and educators is to tell them that there really is only one human race. And we have lots of cultures, but we really have only one human race. And that's why I think UnityWorks is so vital for our community and other communities in our world.
There's a proverb, African proverb, that says if you want to go fast, you go alone. And if you want to go far, you go together. And I believe that this is why UnityWorks is important, because we want to go far. And in order to do that, we need to work together. And so that's why UnityWorks is important.